Frankincense is one of the most prized and precious essential oils due to its rich, incense-like aroma and extensive health benefits. Distilled from the resins of boswellia trees, frankincense has been highly valued for over 5,000 years. The resin is edible and is eaten in parts of Africa to aid digestion and support healthy skin. There are dozens of species of boswellia trees, but only 4 produce true frankincense essential oil. doTERRA uses all 4 of these species to produce CPTG-certified pure therapeutic-grade frankincense essential oil that's brimming with benefits. Frankincense oil contains alpha-pinene, which is soothing and extremely beneficial for skin health. More significant than any single compound, however, frankincense is rich in monoterpenes, which have a wide variety of benefits, making this oil effective for many daily uses. When diffused or applied topically, frankincense oil induces feelings of peace, satisfaction, and overall wellness. You can diffuse frankincense during your morning routine to focus your intention for the day. Apply frankincense touch to your pulse points throughout the day to promote feelings of relaxation and to balance mood. Frankincense has a long history of use, supporting and beautifying the skin. Add a few drops of frankincense to your daily moisturizer to reduce the appearance of blemishes and rejuvenate skin.